Most people open the Perspective Funnels dashboard and they freeze. Too many buttons, too many steps, too much noise. In this tutorial, I cut all of that. I show you the fast path and the only steps you actually need. By the end, you will have a live funnel and you will know exactly what to do next. Now, if you don't have a Perspective account yet, you can get a 30-day trial. Just go to gomarkin.com/perspective or click the link below this video. The public offer on their website is only 14 days. These links give you 30 days. So you have more time to test everything and see if it's right for you. Alright, let's jump inside the dashboard. When you first log in, your screen will look something like this. That's normal at this point. Now, at the top you see a few main tabs: Funnels, Performance, Inbox. You'll spend most of your time in the Funnels tab. This is where you create and edit your funnels. In Performance, you will see your overall stats, how many people visit your funnels and how many become leads. Inbox is where you can connect WhatsApp, so you can chat with your leads inside Perspective. Up here on the right, you see your profile icon. From this menu, you can open your settings, connect your custom domain and contact support. On the left, at the top, you also have your workspace. If you work with clients, you can create one workspace for each client. Now, let's move on to the next part. First, let's see how to connect your domain. Go to your main dashboard. Click your profile icon in the top right. Then open Domains. Here, you'll see an Add Domain button. Click it. On the next screen, you choose what type of domain you want to use. And you also see a short step-by-step video that shows exactly how to connect it. I recommend watching that guide when you set up your domain. Just follow the steps on that video and you'll be done. Now, let's get back to your main dashboard. On the right, you will see a button that says New Funnel. Click this button. On the next page, you'll see all the funnel templates. There are templates for appointments, VSL funnels, recruiting, strategy call, lead magnets, and more. For this demo, I will choose a simple appointment template. You can pick any one that matches your goal. Click on your chosen template and a preview will open. Here, you can scroll through all the pages and see how many pages there are in this funnel. If this looks close to what you want, click Use Template. Perspective will now open the funnel editor. Inside the editor, on the left side, you see your pages. These are the steps in your funnel. There's also the Design tab, which controls your colors and overall style. On the right side, at the top of the editor, you see basic controls, preview, funnel settings, and a big Publish button. In the bottom right, you can switch between mobile view and desktop view. Perspective is mobile first, so most people will see your funnel on their phone. That's why we keep the mobile view as the main one. Now, let's set your basic design. First, click on Design in the left sidebar. Here, you can choose a theme for your funnel. You can pick one of the red themes, or you can set your own colors. For example, you can set your brown color for buttons, change the background style, and pick the font you want to use. You can also change how round the corners are, and how pages move from one to another. When you like the theme, apply it to all blocks. This makes all pages use the same style, so your funnel looks clean and consistent. Now, go to the first page of the funnel. Here, you can change the headline to match your offer. You can adjust the sub-headline, you can swap the image, and you can update the main button text. If there are parts you don't need, you can remove them with one click. If you want to add something, click the New Block button and pick a block from the left menu. Here, you'll see the other pages in the funnel. All of them work the same way. Tap anything you want to change, edit it or remove it and move on. By the way, if you want to take payments directly in your funnel, Perspective lets you do that with Stripe. You do this using a payment block. To add it, open any page in your funnel, click the plus button to add a new block, go to Interactive Blocks and choose Payment. On the left, you'll see the option to connect Stripe. Perspective will open a short setup flow. Just follow the steps on the screen. Once Stripe is connected, you can set the price, choose the currency, and adjust the basic payment settings. If you don't need payments right now, you can skip this step and add it later. Next, click on the thank you page. Here, you confirm that everything worked. You also tell them what happens next. Everything here works just like the other pages in the editor. Tap what you want to change and edit it as you need. On the left, at the bottom, you'll see messages. This is where the automatic emails for your funnel live. Click on any message. Here, you can change when the email is sent, and you can edit the email content itself. Finally, go to the top right and click Publish. You'll see a final screen where you can change your funnel link, preview the funnel, and check the last settings. Then, click Publish Now. Perspective will generate the live version and give you a link. You'll also see a QR code if you want to test it on your phone. Now, let's see where to find your numbers. First, open the Funnels tab. Find the funnel you just published. On the funnel card, you will see small icons. Click on Metrics. Here, you can see how many people visited your funnel, how many finished it, and the conversion rate. Then, go to Contacts. Here, you see all leads that came from this funnel. You can click on any contact and see their details. And you can also move contacts through a simple pipeline. Okay, now you know how to build and launch your first funnel with Perspective. If you want to test everything you saw in this video, remember, you can get a 30-day trial. Just go to gomarketing.com/perspective or click the link below this video. If this tutorial helped you, you can also click like under the video and subscribe for more step-by-step funnel videos.